we go. Alright, there was a startup of my grandparents' Amana PTAC heat pump and heat mode. I believe this was its first heat mode startup of the year. It is about 60 degrees outside right now, but it was really chilly this morning, about 40, so it's still pretty cold in there, so I figured I would turn it on in heat mode. This does have heat strips also, which I tried to do this morning, but the heat strips were only coming on because it was so cold in there. And whenever it's so cold below the set temperature, then it does the heat strips to compensate. So it will only run the heat pump if the temperature is only a couple degrees below the set point. Anyway, it's got a rotary compressor. I'm not quite sure what the brand is. It's blowing out some really cold air. I do have a video from a couple years ago where I took this off and showed the reversing valve behind the coil there. But yep, you can just barely hear the compressor running. That's very cold air, especially at the bottom. And there's the temp star. Here's the inside of it. It's starting to get warm. Might as well clean the filter. This does have a remote, which I actually just put batteries in because they weren't using it. Not sure how to work it yet. Yep. Here's the plug. Alright. I can hear it building up pressure. Alright, I'll let this run for a few minutes and then I guess I'll do a shutdown too. But yep, I can see it working. It gets cold at the bottom first and then... Alright, I'll do a shutdown. Alright, you can hear the compressor, kinda. Just the slightest bit. But I'll do a shutdown now. Some nice warm air. Here's the outside. You can hear the compressor running. It's a rotary. I think I already said that. Very nice cold air coming out of here. Alright. Here's a shutdown in this part. Oh, that's very cool. The indoor fan is still running. I guess I'll show that shutting off. Here's a delay on the fan for some reason.
Oh, there you go. Yep.
All right.
The name. You see the name.
Here's a startup and shutdown of this unit. I believe. Let's look here. It is a 9,000 BTU. Anyway, of this Amana PTAC heat pump out.